If you're looking for the best Python course on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 Python courses based on ratings, popularity, credibility, and career value. Before we begin, if you're planning to learn more than one course, check the link in the description for a discount on Coursera Plus. It can save you money compared to buying courses individually. Coming in at number 3 is Crash Course on Python by Google. This beginner-friendly course is great if you want to learn Python quickly. It covers practical programming skills and is part of Google's respected IT training. It's an excellent starting point for beginners. At number 2 is Python for Data Science, AI, and Development from IBM. This course is perfect if you're interested in data science or artificial intelligence. You'll learn Python while working with tools like NumPy and real data analysis techniques used in the industry. The number 1 pick is Python for Everybody from the University of Michigan. This specialization has outstanding ratings and hundreds of thousands of reviews. It teaches Python from the ground up. You'll also learn databases, web scraping, APIs, and other valuable programming skills. It's one of the most trusted Python programs on Coursera. Here's something many learners overlook. Individual courses or specializations usually cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you want to complete several Python courses, the cost adds up fast. That's why Coursera Plus is a better value. You get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, projects, and labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can also earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active. So if you're serious about learning Python and building more skills later, Coursera Plus is the smarter, long-term choice. If you'd like to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.